Back on site. What's up, my people? Roughing in this driveway. Gonna put a couple loads, 3 loads up here, and then sprinkle this in a couple inches on here just to color it up. Just cutting my drainages in on the sides, on both sides, cutting the overburden back. We're only gonna go about 12 foot wide on this. Got a load of gravel up there. Heavy rains here. Backyard stayed good. We got one little puddle. I just got to cut a swale in where we had the topsoil, but this is all getting shaped. This is all gravel here. The sides were overgrown, and from all the trucks, this settled and water wasn't getting out. So tilt bucket, taper. Got the water going out there. Everything will go off here once we get the crusher run on. Very minimal work in this area. We're more focusing up there against the garage and a turnaround the builder requested. So all the new followers that are just seeing this video for the first time, I took this site over. This wasn't my site. I just came here previously and did a rough grade, covered the septic, did the backyard, did a couple swales, shaped everything up. So just trying to give her a little fixing, that's all. Easy peasy. I already scratched this down, took the highs out, and cut and filled. Raised this up with all the leftover gravels I've been finding. This stuff on my bucket right now is overburdened, not good for the driveway, so I'm putting it there and covering them rocks up a little bit. Got rollers coming for this. FridayParts.com. Make sure you guys check them out if you need any parts for any machine. Just go on their website, FridayParts.com, and type in what you got. If they have it, it will pull up. Email them if you can't find it, and they'll get you the part. OEM parts, quick, fast. Got the tilt bucket here going just at a slight angle to grab some material like so, to get that water out of here. All right, driveway's all shaped. Just taking this fill sand material. Man, the rollers are burning my ears. Taking the fill sand and building it up along the porch so we don't need railings. Got to be less than, or I think every town's different, but here it's 24 inches. Simple little build up. Starting to shape up now. One thing about this sandy, gravelly mix, no rocks, it grades out nice. Yeah, this load's got, looks like it was taken out from the hopper, the bottom of the hopper. We're gonna dump this in the parking area. I don't like the look of it. Let's see if we get this water to get on out. Put the tilt bucket in the tilt. At least the rollers are gonna stop squeaking once I get in this water. Boy, that's annoying. Give it the old tilty out the back. sides. Oh yeah. Give it a cut right here. We'll throw that here for now. Just taking some mulch and making things all pretty as requested. Hot mulch, this stuff is steaming, it's working. Jesus, steaming. The builder just wanted me to put it down here where we had no dirt to cover all these rocks and stumps and everything. This will turn into nice topsoil over time. Good base anyways. Just cover this stuff up. It's here, might as well use it. Well, there we go. That's the blue stuff we're talking about. We'll just top coat everything that I already put down. I do need to get this walkway in now, so I'm not tracking back on. So let's grab the corner tilt bucket, throw it right in there like a so. I got the walkway painted out where he wants it, 4 foot off. Just put a little pile in our box. You gotta love that tilt bucket. Just gotta love it, right? Come on, guys. I only know 2 people on YouTube that's got that tilt bucket. Me and Dirt Brute Steve. And Dirt Brute's only got it because I hooked him up with it. I saw one on Marketplace and said, hey, you need to go get this. It's only down the road from you. Look at that, right in the walkway. We'll go a little higher here because I got to go to the porch. Walk it on out. We got our walkway in. Everything's raked out around my edges real quick. You really ain't got to do too much raking if you paint your lines. Don't cover your lines. Paint your lines and use your spread it to the line and you're good to go. And once you start losing your line, just making stuff up and blowing stuff in, you're going to do a lot of raking and unnecessary work. So I'm painted all the way out, 12 foot all the way out. Looks like probably 2 more trucks. This is a little thick in here. I'll skim her down, but shaping up for a few hours here. The water is draining out of there. There's a tiny bit, but that's not bad. It was really mucky, but I think it's going to work out. 3rd truck is here. Just giving this one skim down through to tighten it up and see if this guy could tailgate me a little bit. I don't think he's got chains, but I don't want it to go wider than my marks. We got our last and final crusher run here. That will be 4 loads. Gonna get it going. we're gonna have enough. Just a skimmy skim down here. Still gotta crown it and shape it for the water to get off, so you gotta have enough in the center. But looking good. Looking real good. Just skimming it up where she's a little low right here. Ever so slightly. Building that crown up right in the center, like so. All right, this one's a wrap. Come out real good. Quick rough in. It should work really well. Got that nice S going to it. Water going off this way, water going off that way. We got the turnaround, the walkway done, and we cut some other swales in to drain some water. But yeah, guys, this one was quick, easy. Nice 4-load crusher run spread. Hit the marks every time. We'll catch you guys on the next one.